With the video generator on Adobe Express, you can turn text prompts or images into high-quality, royalty-free AI video clips for your projects and designs. Instead of searching through tons of stock footage for the perfect video, you can use Express's AI-powered video generator to instantly generate any clip you need. And with advanced camera options, you have complete control over the camera movement and angle, so you can get the exact shot you're looking for. Whether you need some unique B-roll footage or attention-grabbing video clips for a presentation, you can generate whatever you need in seconds. And I'll demonstrate how in this Adobe Express sponsored video. So let's head over to Adobe Express and see what the AI video generator can do. So here's the Adobe Express homepage. To generate videos, the first thing we need to do is open up a project. Feel free to open up a new project, but I'm going to open up a project that I've already been working on. So let's say I'm working on a presentation and I need a good video to go on the left-hand side of this slide. I could spend a bunch of time searching through stock footage sites or the Adobe Express library, but a much faster way to get exactly what we want is to generate a video with AI. So to generate AI videos on Adobe Express, let's start by going to the menu on the left-hand side here and click the Add Content tab. This should display a menu with several options. At the bottom, you should see a tab that says Generative AI. Let's click that now. And this will open up the Generative AI menu. From here, we can use AI to generate all sorts of media. But since we want to generate a video, let's go to the top menu here and click the Video tab. And to access the Generate Video menu, let's click the Generate Video button here. And this should take us to the AI video generator on Adobe Express. And if you look on the right-hand side, you should also see a video preview screen on your template now as well. It's the same aspect ratio as my template, and I can easily resize it and move it around if needed. So at the top of the Generate Video menu, we can add our text prompt. Here's where we can simply describe the video that we want AI to generate. So for my Explore the World slide here, let's see if we can generate a video of a snow-capped mountain range in a cinematic style. When writing your text prompts, try to be as detailed as possible and include things like the setting, colors, objects, style, and anything else you want to include in your video. Underneath the prompt field, we also have a starting image section where we can transform images into videos. We'll be going over this later, so for now, let's move down to the camera section. From here, we can actually select our camera movement. Whether you want your video to zoom in, zoom out, pan left or right, or even display a handheld motion, you can easily select the camera movement for your video here. For my video, I think I'll have the camera zoom out. And underneath this, you can use the drop-down menu here to select your shot size. We have several options here, including a close-up shot, a medium shot, and a long shot. For my video, let's try a long shot. And using the next drop-down menu here, you can select your camera angle. This includes things like an eye-level shot, a low-angle shot, and even an aerial shot. For my video, I think I'm going to try the high-angle shot. So as you can see, we have tons of customization options to help get our video exactly the way we want. And once you've entered your text prompt and selected your camera settings, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my prompt and settings and start generating my video. This may take a few moments, but once it's finished, your new video will then be available in your preview. So here's my vast snow-capped mountain range in a cinematic style. Let's play it to see how it looks. And as you can see, the camera zooms out and it includes all the details that I asked for in my prompt. So let's take my new video clip and finish creating my presentation slide. And with my new video, my presentation is a lot more attention grabbing. So I've generated an amazing landscape video for my presentation, but let's see how it does when generating videos that include people and objects. For the next example, let's see if we can generate a video for an Auto Expo ad that I'm working on. I want it to include both cars and people, so let's head back over to the AI video generator and see what it can do. Let's make my preview a bit bigger to get a better view. And for my text prompt, I'm going to ask AI to generate a video of an exclusive luxury car show inside a warehouse with a crowd of elegantly dressed people admiring the cars. And now that I've added my detailed text prompt, let's go down and select my camera movement. For this clip, I think I want the video to have a panning action, so let's select the Move Right option. For my shot size, I think I'll go with the medium shot. And for my camera angle, let's go with an eye-level shot. And after adding your prompt and selecting your settings, go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. And AI should then start generating my video. And after a minute or so, my video should be ready. And here's the AI generated video for my Auto Expo ad. Let's play it and see how it looks. I have my cars, my elegantly dressed people, and my camera is panning left at eye level. I think this will work perfectly for my Auto Expo ad. I can now finish creating my ad and download it to my computer to post online. I think this video will definitely help my ad stand out. So whether you need to generate some realistic cinematic videos or even some fun animated videos, you can easily do it with the video generator on Adobe Express. So we've gone over how to generate video clips using text prompts. Now let's go over how to transform images into videos. Using Adobe Express, we can easily transform our photos and images into eye-catching video clips. So to test this out, let's head back over to the Generate Video menu. So to turn an image into a video, we're going to be using the starting image option here. Simply click this and you can find and open up the image that you want to animate. For this example, I want to see if I can animate this image of a red street bike here. And after adding your image, you can go up top and add your text prompt. For my first image here, let's see if we can have the rider adjust his helmet and rev the bike's engine. And after adding my text prompt, I can then scroll down and select my camera movement. For this video clip, let's have the camera zoom in. And keep in mind, when using a starting image, the camera angle and shot size options won't be available. So after adding your image and your text prompt, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze your photo and your prompt and start transforming your image. And my red bike image has now been transformed into a video clip. Let's play it and see how it looks. My video clip zooms in as the biker adjusts his helmet and grabs the handlebars as he's about to rev the engine. I think this looks great. For my short film here, I actually want 2 scenes, so let's animate this bike image as well. And for my prompt, I'm going to have the bike riding through the tunnel in an epic cinematic style. And for my camera movement, I think I'll select the handheld option. I think that should look pretty cool. I can then click the Generate button and let's generate the second scene for my short film. And voila! My second image has been turned into a video clip. Let's play it and see how it turned out. And as you can see, my static image has been turned into a bike racing through the tunnel. And now that I have my video clips, I can now edit my scenes on Adobe Express to create my short film. I also added some music from the Adobe Express library, so let's play my video and check it out. Not bad. I can now download my new video and use it however I like. So that's a quick overview of how to generate AI videos on Adobe Express. To try Adobe Express yourself, go ahead and click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.